Hey guys, welcome to another project day. So today is a very special project because we are here in my mom's screened-in patio. So as you can see right now, this place needs a little love, and that is exactly what I'm here to do. The first thing that we did, we removed everything off of the patio. And now we're going to pressure wash. This is actually going to be a 3-day process because we got to pressure wash, paint, and then install everything. So today we're just here to pressure wash, and then tomorrow we'll be back to paint. Guys, we're back for day 2. We pressure washed and cleaned off the patio yesterday. As you can see, like over there in that corner there's still a lot of we believe this is from smoke because they had a grill back here. So you can still see there's a lot of staining from the smoke, and even after we bleached everything, you can still see that there's a lot of staining on the floor. So of course we're going to fix that by going ahead and painting, which Antonio has started. We are going to be painting the center block wall, which is just that little bit of wall on that side, and then we're also going to be painting the floor. So this is what we use. This is porch, floor, and patio latex paint. And they actually have one that has a, what's it called, Antonio? Yeah, they have one that has a texture to it. And the purpose of that is for it to be more non-slip. But we decided to go with the flat texture. My mom actually has used this type of paint before in her garage, and she said she liked it. So we're going to go with that. The color that we're using, we're just going to brighten up this space a little bit, because as y'all can see, the ceiling is kind of like a dark red, so it makes it a little dimmer in here. So what we're going to do for the walls is lighten it up. The color that I chose was Valspar's bleached sand. And we're just going to brighten it up in here and get it all cleaned up and have it looking much nicer. All right guys, day 2 is complete. All the painting is done. Turned out good. Did the wall, did the floor, and we fixed the screens, except this one right here. We got to come back and do a little patch repair on that. But the door where the screens were completely missing, we filled those in. And tomorrow's the fun day, installing. Hey guys, good morning. As you can see, my eyes are swollen. We were up pretty late last night just getting everything ready for this project today. But I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you what we're doing. So we are actually building an outdoor couch for my mom. Outdoor couches can be very expensive, so we found a way to build it for about $120, which compared to some of the other outdoor furniture was pretty reasonable. We are doing a simple plan that I found on YouTube, and I will link it down below. I stained it, and now I'm putting on the seat cover. I do have some more pillows and stuff to put on. So yeah, turned out pretty good. It's time guys, we're here. So we are about to install everything on the back patio. Y'all can see some stuff has already started, but we have a lot more to go. So come along with us. It is so hot out here today. Do y'all see how dark I have gotten just being in that sun? That sun is not playing. But we are about to hurry up and install this before nighttime catches us, because it's already like 5 o'clock. So. You guys, the light is no good, but you can still kind of see over there, right? So yeah, I'm gonna just leave it up like that so y'all can see us start to bring everything in. All we've done so far is just put up curtains. Now we're just gonna do the fun stuff and bring all the furniture in. All right, all right. All right, y'all, are you ready? So we were really rushing because dark is about to catch up. Now I'm going to give you a quick glance at the before. Okay, you seen the before? All right. Okay. Keep your eyes closed. Y'all, I hope she likes it. Eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. All right. Wait a minute.
Keep your eyes closed.
Okay, they close. They close.
Keep your eyes closed.
They close. Jerome gotta close his eyes too, right?
Wait a minute. He's not. Is he here yet?
Jerome, close his
I can't
eyes.
walk and close my eyes.
Watch out.
Jerome, your eyes open. That's not fair.
Yeah, my eyes open.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my Lord!
She's elevated.
Mama.
Oh my God! Dude, how y'all did this?
Do you like it?
Oh yes!
You like it?
Y'all did so good.
You finna cry.
Yes, Lord, y'all did so good.
You like it? Okay, so let's take you around and show you what you have now. Okay, so this is your little potting bench area. Since you love potting your flowers, you can do that there. Okay. Oh, we changed your light. The light was from 1966, so we changed that so it can be brighter. It's your little dining area there. So you and Mr. John can come out here and eat.
And we ain't gonna never eat inside no more.
Now, Antonio and I, we made this sofa for you.
And sofa and
Whoa, whoa, whoa. And then we also made the potting bench too, so that's what we were building today.
Y'all, this is, oh my goodness, I ain't selling my house now, y'all. All right, Neesie did it.
Yeah.
Neesie and Antonio. Neesie, okay.
You did it?
Yes.
We did it.
Y'all
We did it.
Y'all need to hire NeesieDoesIT and A Design, which is a subsidiary of NeesieDoesIT. Oh my gosh, y'all did so good. I am blown away.
All right, YouTube, because we was on Facebook Live. YouTube, thank y'all for watching. We will see y'all next time. Let me even see if we are in focus. Yeah.
YouTube voice.
We'll see y'all next time. Whatever.
I know you
All
had
right.
YouTube.